How to fix the issue of there's no compatibility tab in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head toward your start menu, go to the search bar and there you simply need to write run program made for previous version of Windows. After that, in the results, you will see your application. Simply click on open. After that, now this application will start detecting the issue in our device. It will take a little bit time and then the program will load on your screen. Once it does, from your list, you simply need to choose the program you are having problem with. Choose from the list and click on the next at the bottom right corner. You can choose multiple programs here. After you click on next, now it will start detecting issue in your program. After it has been resolved, click on try recommend settings and then you will see the option of try the program. Simply click on text program and then you're good to go. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.